There is one beauty box subscription that I've been very curious about for a really long time. I finally took the leap and ordered the subscription for the autumn. This is the Walmart beauty box for fall, and let's open this together. This is how it arrived, just like this in the plastic. It had a shipping label right here that I was able to rip off because I don't want you to see my address. But very like simply shipped, and on the outside it says Sustainable Forest Initiative Certified Sourcing, www.forest.org. I don't know if that mattered to you, I just wanted to say it. And let's open up. It says Beauty Box Fall 2025 Volume 1. So I wonder if there's different versions. That would make sense because when I filled out the information for the beauty box, I had to fill out info specifically for me, a survey that was based on my skin type, hair color, eye color, things like that. That is good because I think it's curated directly for me, but they probably have specific products each season and probably pick from that whichever matches you a little bit better. So inside it has the perfect fall beauty haul. Just open the box right here, a little tissue. And first thing I'm going to grab is for hair. My hair is, honestly, it's a little bit frizzy. I'm sorry, but it's just the hair type I have. It's curly, wavy, and a little bit wavy straight. It's very confused, but OGX is one of my favorite hair care brands. I love their products, the coconut milk shampoo. I don't think I've tried this. I've tried the other coconut oil one. I love that conditioner, so I'm actually pretty excited. This is a really good bottle size. It's 3 fluid ounces, 88.7 mil. So I'm not fussed about that. I think this is really great. Very happy about that. So I have another, an EOS. Is it EOS or EOS? I don't know, but shea butter. I actually really wanted this. There is a woman at my gym who smells so good, and I actually went up and asked her, what is the perfume you're wearing? You smell amazing. I don't normally ask people that, but she smells outstanding, and she told me it was this. I don't think it was this specific scent. I'll look it up. I wrote it down somewhere, but I am excited to try this one. I love any type of hydration or whatever moisturizer that is a good quality, and I heard this one is great. Besides, she smelled amazing. So let's go to the next one. Invisible Dry Shampoo from EVA NYC. Is it Eva New York City or EVA? I'm not sure, but I've seen it several times, and I haven't tried their products yet, so I think this is a good, yeah, warm vanilla. Let me just try a little bit because I'm excited about the scent. Oh, that smells good. Yeah, that smells really good, just even as a hair perfume. My hair is pretty clean, so I don't necessarily need a dry shampoo right now, but there's no powder residue at all. Mindfully made, it says. Wow. My hair is dark, so if there's any powder residue, I'm going to see it instantly, and there's none. That smells so good. I think that's going to be so excellent as a dry shampoo. This I'm seeing right away. I love this mascara. It's Maybelline Sky High. I got it in another beauty box, a Christmas one, like the whole entire set. What am I saying? The CVS one I did a video on, this was in it, and it was the first time I tried it. Wow, I loved this mascara, so I'm pretty happy about it. It's a really great size. The next is a little perfume. It's from Adidas Vibes. It says Get Comfy. Let's just smell that right now. That is really nice. That smells good. I love that. Okay, that is a great scent. So not bad for a little tester. I like that it's in a sprayer and not in the ones that have the little glass and it's just a mess and you take off the top and it splatters everywhere. I really like that. And the next one is a Milani Conceal and Perfect. It looks like a primer and I think it's going to match my skin tone, hopefully. Otherwise, that would be a huge bummer. So I think this is a really good try size. It has a little bit in here. It says it's 1.7 milliliters, 0.059 ounces, I think that's right. So it's tiny, but I think it's enough for a couple tries so you'll know if you like it or not. Altogether, there's 6 products, and these 4 are really good size. That's a lot of shampoo, by the way. The mascara, even though it's like a smaller version of the actual mascara, this, when I had it before, it lasted me about 2 months. It's so good. I don't necessarily need a huge mascara too because it dries out sooner. These are just the only mini sizes, but the others are really good quality sizes to use the product, especially this moisturizer. It's a little too big to put in your bag, but it's great for putting on top of your work surface so you can grab and put some moisturizer on. A little bit of the details of the box. I looked through the pamphlet and I see that there's 2 items that I didn't receive. They have 8 in all. I didn't receive the CoverGirl Clean Invisible Foundation, and I did not receive the Revolution Pout Balm Plumping Lip Gloss Glaze Mini. And I just wanted to double check on the website to see if I'm supposed to get those, and it says that you get a high value at an everyday low price, 5 to 7 minis to full-size items per box, all for just $6.98 plus tax. And I think this is pretty much a full size for a hand cream, but this isn't full size. It's a really good sample size that is like valuable, larger. I don't know what to call it. If I can remember what it's called, I'll put it right here, but it's something that is like, this is a sample size and this is like more, whatever. You get my drift, right? Okay, so I did receive 6 instead of 5 to 7. Yeah, 6 is fair, so I'm pretty happy with that. And they must mix and match each season and just match it to whatever you put on the survey, what your interests are, your hair color, eye color, hair type, skin type, all those things when you fill out to subscribe to the box. So mentioning that $6.98 per box, and it's quarterly. I got the autumn box, or they said the fall box, and I see that they're sold out right now. So if you're interested, just get on, sign up, because you'll get the winter box whenever that's coming. I just got this a couple days ago. I'm so excited about it. You can tell my energy is pretty high because I was excited to open this and share this with you. And also the $6.98, it was exactly the price that I paid, and that included the shipping and everything. And it says plus tax. I'm looking at the website right now. I did not pay an additional tax, so I'm sure some people may, but if you do, it might be only like 7 something automatically charged. Mine was exactly $6.98. Okay, so I'm looking at my charge right now, double checking. Yes, I didn't have an additional tax, and shipping was free because I subscribed. It's really easy to manage the subscription. You can cancel it, and I think, I'm not entirely sure if you can skip it. That might be something I'd have to look into further. Like if I wanted the spring one and I don't want the winter one, that would be curious. So I'll look into that a little bit further, and if I find an answer, I'll put it somewhere here. If I don't find an answer, it looks like you can just cancel it at any time that you want to. Otherwise, I think I'm probably going to get the winter box. I'm actually curious to see what happens. I think the cost is really low. So basically it's $7, and I got these samples. I think it's worth it for just these 2 items alone. I really like them. I'm going to use them. Actually, this one as well. Also on the website, they have a link that says shop past boxes. So I'm just going to double check. Yes, you can purchase the past boxes from summer and last winter, and they're $3.98. It looks like. They're all sold out, so I can't even check them, but they show the items here and you can purchase them. I think it's if you know, you know kind of thing. Now I know, now you know. So if you're really curious, you get on it quick enough, you probably can purchase the past box. So you could probably get the autumn one that I just got now, but it looks like they're all sold out. So get ready for the winter one if you want to purchase it and not subscribe. Check it out and see if you can get it for $3.98. That's pretty good. That's even better than this, but I'm on the subscription right now, so I'm not going to risk it. I'm just going to get the winter box. I actually really am pleased with this, so I'm sticking with it for the moment. I like this one because it's quarterly instead of monthly. I've in the past had done monthly beauty boxes. I felt like it was a bit overwhelming, and I was getting a lot of samples that I didn't end up using, and also the cost for it. After 12 months, you're spending $100+ for a lot of samples, and this being only about $7 every 3 months, I think that's pretty fair. And I'm going to be using these for sure. I know that already. The perfume is really lovely. The Milani one, it depends upon how my skin reacts, but these ones definitely are going. I'm going to be using this immediately. So I'm pretty happy with that, and we'll see how it goes. I'll let you know each quarter if I really think it's worth it, and evaluate for myself if it's worth the cost. So if you are subscribed to any beauty box yourself, or if you've tried this one, do let me know in the comments below. I'm very, very curious what other people think about it, and if you are enjoying something like this as well.